Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. Our friend here encountered an interesting situation where they were trying to pass some parameters globally to all JRE instances using environment variables, specifically _Java_options. Initially, everything seemed to be working fine, but when they shared this with another team, they couldn't reproduce the same results. And now, after a few days of trying to replicate the issue on both Windows 10 and 11, our troubleshooter is scratching their head wondering what's missing. Quite the puzzling problem indeed. Moving on to the solution that unravels this mystery. As it turns out, a test with Oracle JRE 421 shed some light. By setting Java_tool_options and _Java_options variables with specific values, subsequent runs of Java versions like JRE 8 Update 421, OpenJDK 11, 14, 17, 21, and even 23 all picked up these variables as intended. The only nuance was that the Oracle version did not throw any warnings, unlike the OpenJDK versions. So, the foundation for passing those parameters globally was solidly in place. Very interesting, right? So, diving a bit deeper into the resolution, running Java instances with different versions effectively picked up the predefined variables, showcasing that the environment setup was indeed correct. From JRE 8 to the latest versions like 23, both Java_tool_options and _Java_options were identified and incorporated. It's fascinating to see how these variables were captured across various Java environments without a hitch. A clear indication that the testing scenario was well structured and executed flawlessly. In conclusion, we tackled a perplexing problem surrounding passing parameters globally to all JRE instances through environment variables. Through a systematic approach and insightful testing, we discovered that setting Java_tool_options and _Java_options globally indeed influences how Java instances interpret and utilize these variables across different versions. With this newfound clarity, our troubleshooter can now confidently navigate similar challenges in the future. That's all for now, folks. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. Stay curious and keep coding with a sprinkle of global parameters magic.